Welcome to our channel, Expat Living in the Philippines, and the Balikbayan boxes that Mamila delivered to us has arrived now. So there are 3 boxes, 2 big ones and 1 small flat one here. So yeah, we're going to take it out, put it inside the house, and we're going to unbox it. So stay tuned. So here's the small box. We're going to unbox this first because this is the one that we can carry. The other one, we leave it to the boys.
Ay, ipakuan lang.
Pa.
Pakita mo. Ito dito.
Diba?
Hello?
Sa iya mo ng kuan gihapon, daghan na ka na siya casing.
Yan, nada ko yung cellphone niya. Hello?
Wow. So these are the contents of the first small box. Some kiwi jams, chocolates, and
Kiwi jams.
yeah,
1 year supply of kiwi jam.
and pots and gloves, lot of gloves.
And clothes.
Yeah, clothes also. This all fit in that small flat box right there. So yeah. Okay, so they are taking out the biggest one now. Makaigit. Yeah, that's the biggest box. They're taking out the other big box also. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, larga.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So you have to unbox these two. So stay tuned.
Ini, pilit ang
Oh,
sinina.
Yeah.
Mag-chocolate mi no. Shorts.
So this are all the contents of the 3 boxes. Just clothes, shoes, bags, chocolates, kiwi jams, appliances, and plates. So yeah. So that would be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share to your friends. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for the notification of our next video. Bye for now. God bless.